now breaking updates and big development coming in the Pulwama probe. Now forces have continued their crackdown in the Pulwama probe and they have arrested the brother of Hidayatullah, who was the one driving the car yesterday, which was intercepted and sealed. Now Hidayatullah's brother has been arrested by the forces while back from his home in Shopian. This is the latest update coming in from the Pulwama incident probe, where now the forces have continued their crackdown in the Pulwama probe and they have arrested the brother of Hidayatullah, who was the one driving the car yesterday, which was intercepted and sealed. In fact, the brother has been arrested by forces while from his way back to his home in Shopian. Let's go across to my colleague Zeenat for more on this. Zeenat, big development in the Pulwama probe. Take us through the details of the same.
Oh, yes, absolutely. We are seeing the way the multiple angles are being investigated by the security forces. That includes Jammu Kashmir Police along with other intelligence agencies. In fact, now the Hidayatullah, who is from the Hizbul Mujahideen and has been active since 2019, now his house was raided by the security forces, and his brother, who has been identified as Samir Malik, who is basically a student, have been arrested by the forces because the police is investigating the angles that how the car was, how the IED was put in that very car that belongs to this HM militant. So we are seeing the angles being probed by the security agencies at the moment. Yesterday, you remember in the morning, the explosive-laden Santro car was destroyed by the security forces in Rajpura, Pulwama, and major tragedy was awaited. Although there has been a lot of similarities of this case with the 2019 February Letpura case, where exactly the explosive-laden car was used to target the security forces. Although IG Kashmir yesterday also made very clear that both Jaish as well as Hizbul Mujahideen were part of this kind of conspiracy, and the angles are being investigating. They are investigating. In fact, right now, what the breaking news is coming that the security forces have carried a raid at his residence, and where from the Hidayatullah's brother, who is identified as Samir Malik, have been arrested by the forces.
In fact, Zeenat, this is certainly a big development that the car owner's brother has now been arrested. Take us through how will this really give a lead to the officials as well to find out what really was the conspiracy and what were they really planning to do?
See, right now the security forces, investigative agencies are probing all kind of angles related to yesterday's case that actually happened. The incident happened in Rajpura, Pulwama. So it's not only the car owner who has been identified, but they are probing all the angles, the family involvement, or even for that matter, the where from the explosive had actually come, where it was assembled. As IG Kashmir yesterday pointed out, that this car they were planning to take this car to the highway to target the security forces. In fact, all the angles will be thoroughly scanned by Jammu Kashmir Police along with intelligence agencies. The local NIA is part of it, the CID is part of it, and simultaneously the other intelligence, whether we talk about the military intelligence or the other investigating agencies. Because yesterday, if you see, it was more than 45 kg explosive that was present in that very car. And if, God forbidden, they would have taken it to the highway, and then it would have been a major tragedy after Letpura. But major success was given to the security fire forces by avoiding that tragedy, and they were able to locate that car. The car was kept under radar for a whole night. And then the way the evacuation process, particularly for the residents of the area, was taken care by the security forces. This time now they have arrested the brother of Hidayatullah, who is active since 2019 and joined the homegrown terror outfit Hizbul Mujahideen. So investigative agencies are working and taking care of all the angles when it comes to this Rajpura case.
All right. Thank you so much, Zeenat, for getting us that update. We'll keep coming back to you for more details.